what we need to make sure that we pay attention to is that the questions you create are actually text dependent. Like these are, okay? It's very, very difficult to answer this question accurately unless you reread and you find the piece of text that aligns to your position, okay? Same thing with this one. When you find that shift in tone, you have to go back to this text in order to figure it out, okay? It's not like you can just remember it or just go from your own thoughts, okay? So here, what we're asking you to do is put on your teacher hat and ask a question that's a lot like these, okay? A question that requires rereading of this text, okay? So let me give you a non-example, okay? If I asked you, does this text remind you of something that you've read before? You could answer, yes, it does. It reminds me of the I Have a Dream speech. Okay? Or it reminds me of, you know, the Harry Potter series for some reason. Or you could say, no, it doesn't remind me of anything I've read before, and you've answered it correctly. Okay? But both of those answers, you answered correctly, but you didn't have to reread. Okay? So what you're going to do now is talk to each other for about 2 minutes and try to come up with, as a group, an excellent question that you think a teacher would write, like on a test, that requires rereading. And what I'm going to do is walk around to your groups and help you kind of wrestle with the language of it to make it truly text dependent.